like if we've been friends for
like 10 years. 10 years to be exact. No. Yeah, like forever.
But we've really only like gotten really close for the last few months. And that's kind of crazy because if you look at a lot of the podcasters and the YouTubers,
It's
like
always a couple
it's always,
months.
yeah, it's like always
Those are the good friendships.
Yeah, and it's good too because we're in our 20s, in our early 20s, and you know that's where you make your lifelong friendships.
She was the only person I could, well, besides like my boyfriend, like the only other person I could open up to about things.
And I don't have a boyfriend.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No, I didn't mean it like
No.
I'm so sorry. I just didn't want to discredit it.
So we went into our first drive-in movie theater today.
Oh yeah, that was a wild experience.
We have footage of it. I was actually reporting on it. We also have footage, insert clips here. Something went very wrong. Insert clips here.
Okay, so we're sitting here watching the movie, and Selena was about to finish her package. And
It crashed. It crashed on me 4 minutes before air. It's 4 minutes until 10 o'clock. That's when the show goes on. And I have to put this together.
It's okay, she got it though. And I'm here for moral support.
She's been doing a lot.
And this is our little, we had a lot of food earlier, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna show you your car. This is the life of a reporter.
A depressing life. Your battery is running low. Okay. Oh my god.
We should explain that it started raining because we didn't get any clip of that.
Oh, that's right.
We didn't even watch the movie.
Was it halfway? Or I don't even know if it was halfway.
It was, okay, so we were watching Jurassic World and it was at the part where the big, like, new dinosaur they made started attacking. So, like, we hadn't even gotten into
the in-depth of the movie.
We're barely at, like, climax.
Okay, but let's talk about this. There was a lightning storm all around us, and we had no idea.
Yep. And well, I was into the movie, and then I think you were like panicking because everything, so we were like focused on that. But then we look outside and it's pouring, and there's people like jumping on top of the projector, like
literally jumping on it, I think to cover it from the rain. And they like are running to push this projector inside of like a trailer, and people are already leaving,
driving away.
Meanwhile, we're freaking out because I'm missing deadline because we're in the middle of a storm and the signal was so bad I couldn't send in my video. Before that, there was a lot of lightning. Oh, and yeah. I was like, is that lightning?
I thought it was a camera.
And she's like, I think it's a flashlight or it's a camera. And we're like, oh, okay. Until the whole sky started lighting up and it looked like we were in a alien apocalypse.
Literally, but we had snacks and cherry Coke.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And we still do. That's like another thing we eat a lot. The only thing is, so we eat a lot, but she doesn't gain any weight.
Oh, yes I do.
No.
I've gained weight. I have.
Where?
Bruh.
She's such a liar.
No, you don't gain weight.
No, I do. Being a girl sucks.
Yeah.
Hopefully the next time you see us, we're not in a car.
At 1 a.m. But it's basically when we eat and talk, right? Yeah. So I think that's what we're doing.
I'm watching. So, we got Chick-fil-A. My phone. Oh, hi.
We're eating Chick-fil-A in the car because quarantine.
Get me Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I'll send you some. Or do you want me to take you some? Because I will.
I'm gonna probably go eat this.
What are you guys gonna eat?
I'm eating!
Love you too. Bye-bye.
Bye, fishy!
Love you. Bye. Uh-oh. They're getting turned away.
Because they can't go inside. Why would they think they can go inside?
That's from the food, it's not cold.
They left! They left! They left!
That was so awkward, guys. It looked like the little boy was staring at us, and the lady caught us staring at
It was like a Karen with her 100 children.
little Karen.
Karen with her 100 Karens.
That was. I'm glad they're gone. I just really wish they would have parked at any other parking spot over here. Because they're just staring at us and we're staring at them.
There's literally like a whole parking lot.
I don't understand.
Bye, weirdos. Just kidding.
Leaving their son.
Oh, look at did you see him? He was like...
Are they just turning around? Were they tired of us? Why they turned around? They hated us. We didn't even do that. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. How does she know? Is there a camera? I want to look, but I don't want to be sketchy. Oh, she's coming. Oh my god. Should we leave? Should we go to another location?
I'm over here, like...
She was watching.
She was watching us!
You didn't see that? And she was still staring at you. And you weren't, it wasn't even like you were like looking at it. You were like... Should we leave?
I think, no. We were here first.
Look, do it.
Like I was straight up like... It's
And
this
the
blue
lady
sky.
came out. Okay, let's not do it again because she's gonna come out. Just saw us creeping on them.
And... cut!
That was cute.